Today we'll be making Beto Green in Arogyam cast iron cookware. Let's see how we do it. Let's make Beto Saag with seam bodi. I have given both in two languages. Now let's see. I've taken the Beto Saag, washed it and kept in a strainer. This is plastic strainer, and I've cut the broad beans into half. You can see the sizes, and cut eggplant and body. I have taken 20 gram. I have taken Arogyam cast iron cookware. I put little oil. Then we'll be putting urad dal vadi. Then until golden, we'll cook it. It's done. I'll remove it. Now I'll put panch foran. It's done. I'll put broad beans, which is seam in Bengali. Then I'll put chunks of eggplant or brinjal. Put little salt. Turmeric. Ginger, grated ginger. So stir for some time. Then green chilies. Split into two and then cut into 1/2. Then I'll put the Beto green. The name of the green is Beto Green. So I am telling you this is Beto Green. Then we'll cook until it reduces in quantity and water evaporates completely. I'll be covering it with a lid, and in this way we'll be completing the total cooking procedure. See, water is coming out so much. We have to reduce the quantity till the time we will be cooking. So the kadai what I have taken is Arogyam cast iron cookware, and it is very beneficial to health. And this is heavy bottom and it is 100% iron, and it takes less oil while cooking. That is the wonderful part. So viewers, if you want to order, the link I have given in the channel, please purchase this through Amazon or Miso or Flipkart. I've added little sugar and the fried vadi, which is fried previously, broken into small bit size. Then I have added to the sabji or the stir fry green, Beto green. So I'll cook for another. The total cooking procedure it has taken is 15 minutes, and it should be done in a slow fire. And we will complete this and will remove. So the presentation is I'm putting it in the bowl. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And the recipe is given at the back. Thank you for watching Jayasree Kadai Katha.